Hello and welcome everybody to YouTube Made Simple. This is the course for you to learn how to get started creating your own channel from scratch. My name is Sergey Kisimov and I teach many people how to start and build your own business online. And if you're not on YouTube right now, you're missing out on a great and a beautiful opportunity for you to take your business to the next level and beyond, because YouTube is the place for you to be at. This course will teach you how to get started on YouTube, how to create your own channel, and best of all, how to use it, leverage it, and start to advertise your own business on YouTube. Now, you could also be making money on YouTube, but you do need a little bit of a bunch of different YouTube subscribers, and of course, a certain amount of hours for YouTube to accept you. Regardless of what is your business plan, YouTube is the place to be. Join me for this class and learn how you can get started today creating your own YouTube channel. Vision and creativity. These are the two things that makes a big difference between which channel makes the big money and which channel doesn't, and a lot of the interesting behind the scenes things that are happening with every kind of channel. For example, my channel. You would see that a lot of videos that I actually create, it takes vision, it takes creativity to create them, and depending on which videos. Some videos it takes me very fast for me to do. Some other videos it takes me a longer time to create them. The review videos are fast. They're easy for me to do. I know exactly what product I'm getting. I'm showing the actual product, and then I'm doing a video review. It is easy. There is other videos such as investigations, things that I actually created, paranormal activities, or some other things. It takes a lot more time. I have to go ahead, study certain videos, and I have to pull a bunch of videos together and create something, actual product for you to actually watch. This takes time, and it is not easy to create. This is why, if you view my channel, you will see this, that I have a bunch of videos that I only create very few of them. They come up once in a while, but they don't come up too often. The reason why is just simply, it is just too much of intensive time for me to create such a video, and yet I don't know how many people are actually going to be watching that specific video, and because of that, some of those videos don't get released as fast. It takes a lot longer for me to work my way to create such a video. Plus, it takes a lot of vision, creativity in order to put something out there that is worth it for somebody to watch. And if I do not good effort, nobody's gonna watch it, and it is a waste of my time and your time as well. So you have to prioritize what you're doing, but everything that you create takes creativity. And specifically, even if you watch some of my shoe reviews, although they seem to be like, he just did it just right there, it does take some effort. It also takes some creativity too. So when I create some of those videos, I'm thinking, well, how can I go ahead and entertain somebody if they're watching this thing? Just making a regular, normal shoe review, nobody is really gonna be watching it on my channel versus someone else's. What if they're doing the same exact thing? And most people are doing probably 100 different same shoe reviews. So you want to set your videos a little bit different, and my videos are different because I do my shoe reviews in a specific way, and I let people not only see the shoe in multiple kind of ways, I also add some humor and add some extra touch to it. And some people don't actually like it. Like once I went in and I tore down this entire shoe and I actually dislike something. Some of my videos are dissed videos or something that I dislike, and I'm not afraid to go ahead and post it up there. People are gonna hate me for that, but I'm telling the truth. So just because I don't like a product and other people like it, it is my opinion. I want to express it. It is my version of what I think of this specific product, and I put it right there so people can see it. So this is what makes it interesting and more entertaining. This is why people watch my channel. This is why I have a lot of subscribers, and specifically why I have, and I'm approaching 2 million people who are viewing my content. So this is something that you want to keep in mind too. When you're creating content, think of who is watching and think about creating something good, something unique, something different. And specifically, you are not creating it for you. You are not somebody who creates. You have to think about this way. I know music artists and people who are creating things. A lot of times they like to create something because they enjoy creating it. But the key is, if you want to get sales, you want to get view time, you want to get people to actually go ahead and buy something from you. And in this case, with YouTube, people are not buying anything from you, they're just watching you. So you're here, your job to entertain them. And because of that, you're not here to entertain yourself. If you're creating something that you're creating for YouTube for somebody else to watch, you have to think outside of the box. Think about how would you watch something similar, and how can you present it to somebody else. So when I present this actual material, I present it to somebody as if I'm watching it myself, and I'm trying to figure out what would the audience actually want me to create for you. So I'm not focusing on what I'm creating for myself, I'm focusing on what I want and what I want to deliver to the audience, so they actually watch the content, absorb it, and not stop watching it. And that is the key when I create those video reviews that I create on my channel. So is it really too late to get started with YouTube? It seems like all the big money is always made with the first people who got in and learned about something right before you. Is it really true? Not really. The thing is, you can always get started with any of those places that you can make money online in, whether it is YouTube, eBay, Etsy, all those different locations. There's always a place for you to make money. Why is that? Well, think about it this way. With YouTube itself, there is billions of people who are watching. There is only a very small amount of creators who are creating content. And of course, understand one thing. There is a new generation of creators that is coming into YouTube right now. And a lot of the old generation is actually retiring. Why is that? Well, some of them made too much money. Others because the rules actually changed, and the old things that people used to do to make money no longer work as good as before. For example, people who used to do pranks, swearing, all kinds of inappropriate videos that got trending before, those things no longer are actually featured by the algorithm of YouTube, and that is a big difference. So before, if you could do a prank, a funny video, you can get 100,000 views and get a lot of money. Right now, it is not actually sponsoring this kind of a video. And because of that, even if you create something like that, you're going to get almost no traction. So there is a big difference between the old YouTube and the new YouTube. And that gives you a brand new opportunity. Also, because it takes a lot more time and effort for people to create their channel and get it to actually get monetized. Before that, there was no law and requirement for this to actually happen. It makes a lot of people get started, get frustrated, and quit doing YouTube. So that actually is a good thing, because it gives a lot of people who are persistent an opportunity to generate and make money online. And there is, of course, lots of ways to make money on YouTube. And it doesn't have to be just focused on getting a paycheck from YouTube. You can get and make sponsored content. You can sponsor your own videos. You can create content. You can sell some of the content that you are creating as you're sponsoring your own products, and doing a lot of other good and awesome things that will get you paid right away on YouTube. Plus, it helps your followers grow. It helps your business grow. And if you're not on YouTube right now, you're missing out on an excellent place where you can get a lot of followers to whatever you want, such as Instagram, Facebook, anything else that you can think about. So YouTube is the place for you to be at. And if your business is not on YouTube, you are missing out. Because by the time you're watching this, I'm making money doing absolutely nothing. And you, what are you doing? You're wasting your time because you're not taking the time to create your own YouTube. So when should you get started creating YouTube? You should get started right now. You should get started today, because every day that you are pushing this, like, I'm not going to be doing this today, you're procrastinating. You're taking an opportunity that could be making you money and just putting it away because you think that you're not ready yet to do it. The best day for you to be ready to do something is today. Get started today, and I want to see you create your own YouTube channel. When you're just getting started with YouTube, one of the things I recommend for you to do is to subscribe to channels you like and enjoy. To get started subscribing to a channel, when you press on subscribe, you see in the bottom it says subscription added. And the next thing you want to do is to press on this little bell sign and turn on all. This way you never miss an alert when a new video is being published on the channel.